It's a good day for our markets today. Looking at what the US markets did overnight. Yes, it's a tight race between Joe Biden as well as Donald Trump, but the US markets rallied in overnight trading session, and you can see the same rub off on our Indian markets as well. Look at Nifty, it's above the 12,100 level. It opened above 12,000 for the first time since February 20th. So great going for us as well. The Sensex is up over 700 points as well. But let me talk about the stocks that are buzzing in trade, a lot of them today. And let me first start with India's top PSU lender, and that is SBI. SBI has surged over 6% in trade, up most in over 5 months on better than expected earnings, as well as they forecasted for stronger credit growth. You have most brokerages that have upgraded the rating on SBI, as well as they've gone ahead and raised their target price. So you have Jefferies that's upgraded the stock to buy. You have Morgan Stanley that's upgraded the stock to overweight from equal weight. You have CLSA as well as Jefferies that upgraded their target price as well for SBI. That's why the stock is up in trade. It's up for a fifth straight session today. It's up about 16% in the period as well. Next up is HPCL. The PSU OMC has surged the most in about 7 months. Is up about 9% in trade today. The stock has hit its highest level since September 11 and is up for a second straight session. This is all because of the earnings as well as the buyback proposal that the board approved. The board has approved a proposal to buy back about 100 million shares at for up to 2,500 crore rupees. Also, if you see, the stock is up about 16% in the last 30 days. Meanwhile, if you look at the last 52 weeks performance, the stock is declined by about 35%. Multiplex stocks are surging in trade today as Maharashtra government has allowed a reopening of cinema halls, theatres as well as multiplexes with about 50% occupancy from today onwards. PVR is up over 7% in trade today. It's up for a second straight session. Meanwhile, Inox Leisure has hit its highest level since October 19th and is up for a fourth straight session. Next up, you have SRF. The stock has surged most in about over 7 months. It has hit its record high levels today. The company reported a 4.7% rise in its profit. Meanwhile, its revenue has also seen an uptick of about 21%. The stock is up for a second straight session. It has gained about 60% in the last 52 weeks. You have BASF India, that's BASF India, that surged. That stock has surged over 14% in trade today on back of strong Q2 earnings. The PAT grew to about 413 crore rupees compared to 2.32 crore rupees a year ago. This was aided by an exceptional gain of about 424 crore rupees on sale of its construction chemicals business and higher revenue as well. The stock has gained about 50% in the last 52 weeks. Meanwhile, SAIL is up about 10% in trade today, most in over 6 months. The SAIL has reported a 21% year-on-year surge in its October sales, its highest ever for the month, as demand has continued to improve on back of easing of the lockdown. Also, if you see, the stock is up for a third straight session. Apart from that, you have United Spirits also that came out with its earnings, and the stock has surged to its highest level since September 21st. That is in the intraday trade. For now, the stock is actually eased from those days high levels. So these are the stocks that are buzzing in trade today.